Hey traders, welcome to my video. This video is different from the last videos as this is not really analysis. This is trades which I'm currently in, or you can call it a live trading session. The day is May the 22nd as of midnight, and from this video you can take some trading ideas which you can then look at into Friday. So without further ado, let's get started. So the first pair is the S&P500, or if you don't want to call it a pair, you can call it an index. I opened a short position at the price of 2,970 USD, and price is currently roaming in a nice profit area in the region of 30 pips, so that's comfortable for us. We risked 1.5% and our stop loss was 15 pips, and we got the entry bang on where we wanted it to be, right at this key resistance level. The reasoning behind this trade was that price had broken a very steep ascending channel which was driving price to the upside, and when we saw that it broke, we looked at further structure, and when that broke, we went short. We are maintaining this trade very well, and price is currently sitting comfortably at our take profit 1 level and near missing our take profit 2 level. The next trade which we are in is XAUUSD. Sorry, I have this correctly. XAUUSD, or gold US dollar. And price is currently in profit levels, like a lot of our trades are currently. And the reasoning behind this trade was I identified a key descending channel, and when I saw price reach the bottom of it, I decided to take out longs, as recently we were short on this pair for about 200 pips, and that recently hit our take profit and we've managed to back 6% plus. Now we are going to be long on this metal until we reach the top of the descending channel. We are also watching this key shorter term ascending channel to see if it gets broken. If price would come back to our entry, that wouldn't be a problem, because if I undo this, because as of now I'm still bullish on gold as we are at the channel bottom. Now if price decides to break this structure, we could see our trade come back to our entry, and that's totally fine, but our bias is that we could come back to the channel top at a price of, let me open using the fibs, 1.618, and hang on. Yeah, so I'll get rid of the 2.618 fib because that's not as relevant to this short-term structure. But if price decides to rally from the 0.786 level, we could see prices go up to 1,730 USD plus per ounce, and actually I more like the idea of a retrace to the 0.618% level. This is a trade which we are currently maintaining, and we have no different take profits. Our target is just the 1,745 level. The next trade which we are in is NZDUSD, or the New Zealand dollar versus the US dollar. Recently we saw that price broke an ascending channel, and this key level of resistance, which we used the line chart for, this very previous level, very recent level, we flipped it back to candles, and we went short at this level. We were originally short somewhere down here at 0.6125, but when we saw a break of this structure, when we saw a break here, we decided to close and get a better entry here. Now, to maintain this trade, we are watching key structures which might come into play in the Asian session, but as of now, we are still short on this pair. And if we get a break of this possible flag pattern, we could have our take profit 2 and 1 get hit. Our take profit 1 is definitely very near, and we're looking forward to see this possibly get hit in the upcoming hours. As we see, we got a move down from our 1% level, a move down to our 1% level, and a retrace to the 0.618% level. And from here, we're looking for a decline in price to our take profit 2, which is at the 1.618% level. These fib levels align very well with structure and possible prices where we could see figures halt. The next pair which we are currently trading is USD MXN, or the US dollar versus the Mexican peso. We'll go up to the 2-hour chart, and as you can see, we had a triangle that got broken to the downside, and we saw a descending channel forming back from the high at where our take profit is now at 25.3. Our take profit is here because of the 1.618 level, which is just above this level, but this high might not get exceeded, so we decided to place it just at the high at 25.3, as I mentioned. Price is currently at our entry, or you could say a bit in the negative side, but that's okay. We are looking to maintain this trade nonetheless. We decided to take out a long because price declined to the bottom of the descending channel, and if we draw out more structure here, we could also find a shorter term descending channel here. Now this trade is very multi-conformational, and we are very positive in this pair fulfilling our trade and hitting our take profits. This is a scenario we've seen on USD CAD and USD CHF and basically all the USD pairs, so this is a very good sight for us to see that price has also reached the bottom of a longer term descending channel, which coincides with the bottom of a shorter term descending channel. So this is a pair we'll be also maintaining during the Asian session. But the next pair which we are in on is USD CAD, or the US dollar versus the Canadian dollar. We took out a long at 1.392 with a stop loss at 1.3845, which is below the recent low of 1.385. This risk to reward was 1 to 2, and our take profit is at 1.407, and price is currently chilling with some nice profit, but as of now we are not going to keep maintaining this pair during the Asian session, like all of our trades. We recently had a short trade from the retest of the rising wedge pattern here, which hit our take profit, which was at this same support level that we planned to buy at, but we end up getting a late buy here, which is still fine, as we expect price could come back down to this level again. With a stop below it, the chances of it getting hit aren't very likely, especially how it's below a previous level here. If price decides to break, this could indicate bearish momentum, and it would be best if we exit the trade. The next and final trade which we are currently in is the S&P 500. Have I mentioned this? I think I'm repeating myself here. Yeah, I'm repeating myself here. Sorry, my bad. The next pair we're in is GBPUSD. I'll pull up on the 15-minute time frame. And price is currently sitting at our take profit 1 target with some nice profits. We are not exiting as of yet, and we will wait for further bearish momentum. Although you could have made a case for an inverse head and shoulders pattern here, this being the left shoulder. Actually, I'll draw this out for you guys. This being the left shoulder, the head here, and this being a left shoulder, but we saw this idea wasn't valid as we saw a further movement in downside price exceeding the left shoulder. We are still maintaining this trade in the Asian session, and we'll just keep looking at structure which could indicate where price is going next. For example, this wedge pattern here. This could indicate bullish or bearish ideas, but either way we will still maintain this trade. Our stop loss is at 1.2303, which is above the recent highs. Right at this level here you can see 1.2296. So this trade is running well for us. And like I said, with all our other trades as well, we will keep maintaining them through the Asian session. Thanks for watching this video, and I hope you've taken some ideas in your trading. And if you're new to this channel and you haven't already, please like and subscribe for more content. I release videos every day, and it would help if you showed some love by supporting the page through liking, sharing to a friend possibly, and commenting on the video to tell me how you feel about it. I hope you enjoy the rest of your trading week, and hope to see you back on this channel. Thanks for watching. Take care.